Hindi ka nga nakakuha.
Hello guys, today we're playing FNF, but it's nightmare mode. So it's already in nightmare mode, so let's play the hardest one, like called
Oo, maganda yan.
ultra difficulty, bro. Because I want them.
Maganda yan eh.
I don't know if
Pwede
they're
siyang
faster.
mag-itak, pwede siyang mag-assassin.
Let's go. Finally, we're done. Where's my scores? Where it goes to 7-6? Goes to 7-6.
Wala? Nilaano nila ako?
Last time I played FNF and I got 67 score. It's a mod, so it's very hard. So let's try blame by. Wait, what's this character again? I forgot. Oh yeah, Pico.
3, 2, 1, go!
Blame Pico. My friend really likes this character so much. His name is Glens. And check out his YouTube name, by the way. His YouTube name is Colombian Ball. Go subscribe to him. He always support me. Guys. Oh my god. Bruh. It's like glitch mode. Oh my god, bro. I just left for a second. the video of us playing FNF on that. My last... Bro! I don't know.
Punta ka dito, Emilia. Pumunta tayo dito, Emilia. Ano yan, Day?
What the hell happened?
Pumunta tayo dito, Emilia.
Bro, how are their ads? Their ads, bro.
Dito. Sila target nila.
Bro, how are their...
Oo, kasi nga magbibigay nila ng loop
I
parang
hate
loop.
ads, bro. I
Wala kang
hate
20,
ads.
no? Ano yun, man?
And now,
Huwag ka pang matay dyan. Tanga
because
talaga mo.
I very hate
Akala
ads.
ko, tanga, ikaw, bobo. Andun na kayo.
And I'm just gonna play all 12 difficulty. So, this is the last one.
Puta, patayin ako ng Lord, oh. Kanina na naman ng Lord. Oh. Wala yan. Kaya natin dipin. Andiyan yung ano, nasa bush yung ano, ha?
Wait. Nice. Oh yeah, second this.
Andiyan ako din,
Bro, the title looks weird. So versus. Oh my god, I just missed.
Galing ng ano.
What, bro? Why I'm lagging? I'm lagging. Okay, I'm lagging. I'm lagging. Kinda. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Wait, I'm losing control. Bro, this infinite. This infinity, bro. Infinite. Infinite notes. And yeah, this and finally, bro.
Kasi may nagpapakamatay. Tanga, hindi sa YouTube na din
What do we get?
nagpapakamatay na kayo eh.
And bye, guys. Just the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe and like.